If you've never eaten food sitting at a table you built yourself, I highly recommend it. It is so much better. This is a farmhouse table I built a few years ago. It sits 8 people comfortably, and we've had up to 13 people sit here for large family gatherings. And made it so this end area can accommodate a wheelchair really easily. There's enough clearance here for the armrest, the wheelchair to roll right in there. And it's been really durable. My kids have done a lot of crafts on it, sit on it, stood on it. And it's been a really nice table for us. The table is definitely big enough for Jesus and all of his disciples. The chairs I got for free. A neighbor of mine in a 100-year-old house was tossing them, and they're all out by the street. So I grabbed them before anybody else did. This is my favorite chair. The paint was chipping real bad. It's real loose on it, and I got it real wet with a garden hose and got a Brillo pad sponge, rubbed off the loose paint, let it dry for a couple days, and then gave it probably 2 or 3 coats of the spray polyurethane, the high gloss. This high-tech gaming station only cost me $15, Cracker Barrel, checkerboard set, but the table and chairs were also in my neighbor's trash for free.